great Saturday morning. Sorry, I'm just getting out of the gate. It's loud. So, how are you guys? Hope you had a great week. It's a great weekend. Start of a great weekend, because I have a surprise. So just wanted to pop up on here and let everyone know that I'm great and I haven't been MIA. I've just been working. So let me get in here. I don't have my phone stand in the truck, so I'm gonna have to hold it in there. But you have Durag Shimor today, and that's because I don't know, I just felt like putting a Durag on today. It's Saturday. I just woke up actually. I don't know if you could still sleep in my bag's up there. And my uncle was just like, yo, you want breakfast? I was like, yeah, why not? So he was like, you know what Martha's is? I was like, yeah. You want breakfast? I was like, yeah. So I'm going to get 2 cruising breakfast. I'm just gonna get back home with it so we could eat. You gotta treat yourself sometimes. And at the same time, I really did not feel like cooking or making breakfast, and neither did he, because he was still laying in bed. In between, I do have a surprise for y'all, and it's gonna be a nice surprise. I'm happy. I'm actually very happy. So there's some things I have to take care of today, and then I'll get that sorted in. But I'll also show you my cruising breakfast. So I will catch you guys. And yeah, excuse my language, these insects are about to die in T-minus 20 minutes. When I get home, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so over here. When I get home, I have to disinfect my corona self. I don't have corona, okay? I'm gonna disinfect myself. And I didn't realize my AC was on. I think I turned that on. If you have followed me on Instagram and you saw me post something, do not drive while on the phone. Don't do it. Why do I still have a mask on? Don't drive while on the phone, okay? I'm vlogging, but I'm still parked. Damn, this mask make me sweaty. I'm driving, but I'm vlogging, but I'm still parked. So turn off the camera right now, Shimor. And reverse. When you get home, you turn the camera back on. Practice safety. So I am back home, and I got my food right in front of me. Look at my arm. I got fat. Damn. I'm kidding. But yeah, I have my food right in front of me. Hold up. Alright, so we have Johnny cakes. You get eggs, cucumber, spinach, and underneath the Johnny cake we have sawfish. If you don't know, I am a pescatarian. I'll eat eggs though, but it's fine. So yeah, that's my breakfast. I'm gonna indulge, and I'll catch you in the next scene.
This is not what I do for fun on a regular, but what's going to happen in the next couple of minutes, you will question me. But you'll see. Just wait on it. I am legit on the bucket of this shit. Up. Yeah. Alright, you good there? You're good, you're good. Guess what I'm doing? Picking fucking papaya. Something is wrong with me, okay? How many? How many? Okay. Picking fucking papaya. Something is definitely wrong with me. Why? Because why not? Alright, let's go down. Yeah. This is exactly what I do. No, this is not what I do for a living, but I'm at the wrecking yard and this is what I'm doing. Yeah. My mother is going to kill me. Look at this shit. Look at this. I did say I have a surprise. I really did say I have a surprise. Me pulling a damn chain. This chain heavy as hell. But yeah, welcome. And she is loaded. So in the beginning, don't ask where the bumpers are. Okay, it's inside. I'm not going to do anything with them yet. Welcome to the family. And it begins. She's home. Alright, so that's the surprise. Don't worry, she's working. It's just doesn't look like it doesn't, but I think I might just take you on this journey with me. Yes, I am a car enthusiast, and this is not my first car. I think this is my third car in 4 years, probably. But anyway, catch you guys on the flip side.
I think I made it. I think I made it. I think I made it.